Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn on how to add a thumbnail to your YouTube videos on if you're using a cell phone. So first of all, make sure that you have uploaded video on YouTube. After that, what you have to do is go to YouTube Studio. And in here, for example, we make sure that you have already uploaded a video. For example, I go to a particular channel and that is the luxury. And in here, what you have to do is click on view more to go to your video. Whatever your video is, for example, I'm going to Pan America Highway going through Nazca. And in here, when you arrive here, you have uploaded this video, but you want to add a thumbnail. All you have to do is click on this teeny tiny pencil option up in there, click on it. And in here, you can see again a pen option in here, click on this one. So it gives you an option for multiple thumbnails, and there's a custom thumbnail. You're going to click on custom thumbnail and go to files and select any picture that you think of would be a thumbnail. Just click on it. Select it and boom. So these are nitro tech muscle building stuff. So this is how you're going to add a thumbnail to your YouTube. You can see this is now a thumbnail to your YouTube videos while using a cell phone. And if you think this video was for you, make sure to leave a comment below and subscribe to this channel. We'll catch you in another video. Keep visiting Tides Schooling.